Yuck. Alright, I'm doing a cabin air filter change, and I figured I'll just go over some quick tips. I didn't want to make a video on cabin air filters, they're pretty easy, but figured while I'm here, I'll film something. Thankfully, Honda's made it real easy on these. Just squeeze it in, drop the glove compartment, squeeze the tabs on here, if I can, pull it out. So that's how easy most of these vehicles are to change the cabin air filter. Thankfully, Honda came to its senses and put this simple design in. Before, on the early generations, you had to take off all kinds of pieces to get up under there to get these things. One of the biggest keys, make sure you get the airflow going in the right direction. Most of these go down. And then another big one that I see mistakes on, there's a little lip right here on each side. You want to make sure that this catches on both sides. So that way the air is not going around it. Otherwise you're defeating the purpose of having an air filter. And another thing I'll point out, these air filters from TYC, I've had really good luck with these. I don't usually endorse too many brands, and obviously TYC is not paying me, but had really good luck with these. The quality is comparable to the OE ones, and they're probably like half the price. So if you want to save some money, go with these. See, that's what you don't want. You don't want this to bypass this little lip and just be able to move freely. That's what you want. You want it to catch under that lip like that. Same over here. Of course, I pulled it out. Same over here. You want it to catch like that. Alright, if you forget which way the airflow goes, it's usually right on the front here. That's how easy it is. Sometimes there's a strut right here to stop the glove compartment from falling down like that on some models. Like this. Other than that, most of these Hondas are just like this. Well, there you go. Hope you enjoyed this quick tip on these cabin airflow filters. And as always, hey, the video helped you out or you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.